In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make or adjust your mouse pointer or cursor to appear larger or smaller on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select accessibility on the left panel, and underneath vision, select mouse pointer and touch. And then where it says size, you can drag it to left or right to make it appear larger or smaller. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.